Okay, something I'd like you to be able to draw for the freshwater resources unit is a diagram of the water cycle. Nothing too fancy, just a simple diagram. So I've got my sun, which powers the water cycle. I've got my lake, and the sun's shining on the lake, causing the water to evaporate, which means changing from a liquid into a gas. Let's say evaporation, not evaporate. And then you've got your water vapor in the air. And if it condenses, that's cloud formation. So we've got evaporation, condensation. When the air gets saturated and we get a little rain or a little snow, that's called precipitation. And once the water hits the ground, there's a few different things that can happen. So one thing that happens is plants and animals drink the water. So that's what I'm drawing my trees for. And plants, using photosynthesis, will put some water back into the atmosphere. And that's called transpiration. Some of the water will hit the ground and then sink down underground, and that's called percolation, or sometimes it's called infiltration. The water that hits an impermeable surface might run off. And the only other thing that I'll include here is storage, which is when water stays in one place for a particular period of time. And that could be a lake, or it could be an ocean, or it could be in a glacier, or it could be in an aquifer. So that's a complete water cycle. For a test, I might ask you to draw this from memory. So evaporation, condensation, precipitation, transpiration, percolation, runoff, and storage.